Today, we're talking about Honor's brand new release, the Honor 400 Smart. And honestly, this one feels like a practical mid-range phone that focuses on durability and battery endurance more than flashy gimmicks. Let's start with the design and build. It has an IP64 rating, which means it's dust-tight and resistant to water splashes, so it'll survive everyday spills and light rain without stress. It also comes with scratch-resistant glass, making it more durable in daily use. On the front, you get a 6.77-inch TFT LCD display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Peak brightness hits 700 nits, which should be enough for outdoor visibility. Powering the phone is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 South Gen 3 chipset, built on a 6 nm process. This combo isn't designed for heavy gaming, but it's more than capable for everyday tasks, social media, streaming, and casual gaming. Memory-wise, you're looking at 4 GB RAM with 128 GB storage. There's no card slot for expansion, so users will need to rely on internal storage or cloud services. Now, let's move to the cameras. On the back, you'll find a 50MP main sensor with PDAF for fast focusing, supported by a 2MP depth sensor. This setup handles decent photography and good lighting, offering sharp details and natural colors. For audio, Honor has included stereo speakers for a better multimedia experience, plus a 3.5mm headphone jack, something many users will appreciate. In 2025, since most brands have moved away from it, the phone charges via USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG support, so you can even connect external accessories or flash drives. One of the biggest highlights of the Honor 400 Smart is the battery. It packs a massive 6,500 mAh cell with 35 West wired charging. This is clearly a phone built for endurance, easily lasting a day and a half to 2 days of use, even with the high refresh rate display. What do you think? Is this a solid everyday phone, or do you expect more at this price point in 2025? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.